For this part of the video, we will be looking at blood groups. So again, we see this term called antigens. Okay, so these are the little white flags that we have. Okay, so you probably know that blood type O is the universal donor, so which means they can donate to everyone. Okay, but it's just that they cannot get blood from everyone except O themselves. Okay, let's take a look at why that is so. So let's look at O, the blood group O. So when we see O itself, you realize that it doesn't have any antigens on it at all. It's totally empty. Okay, completely bald. So when they donate this blood group O into, for example, someone with blood type A, okay, so because it doesn't carry any little white flags or markers on it, the person with blood type A will not think of O as a foreign particle. Okay, let me repeat. It doesn't have any markers on the red blood cell itself. So when I donate blood group O into A, due to the lack of these markers, the person with blood group A will think that the blood group O is not a foreign particle. Alright, now what happens if it is the reverse? So if I were to donate blood group A into blood group O, okay, then a disaster will happen. Why? So when we look at blood group A, you see we have these markers on it. Okay, these are your A antigen. So A antigen, when it enters into blood group O, the body of blood group O person will think that it is foreign because now it has got a foreign antigen on it which the person does not recognize. On top of that, blood group O also contains antibody A. Okay, so what will happen to this particular blood? So let's say this is my blood group A. Okay, I have these A antigen on it, right? Now in blood group O, these antibodies will now attack my blood group A. So when it attacks, agglutination will take place over here. Okay, so same thing goes if I were to donate blood group B into blood group O. Okay, so the same thing will happen. So I have got blood group B with my B antigens. Okay, so my antibody B in the person with blood O will now attack my red blood type B. Okay, causing agglutination to take place. Alright, so now let's look at blood group AB. AB is what we know as the selfish blood because it can accept everyone, but it just cannot donate except to AB themselves. Okay, why is that so? So AB, you have both antigen A and antigen B. So if I donate AB into B, I have got A antibody, right, in blood group B. So in blood group B, I got A antibody, so which means the A antibody will recognize this A antigen and target it for destruction. Okay, if I were to donate this blood group AB into A, what happens? Here I have got B antibody. Now this B antibody will now target my B antigen to destroy it. Okay, understand now? So regardless what you will have to take note over here, okay, to sum it up, whatever blood group you have, for example blood group A, will have the exact same antigen A. Okay, on the other hand, the antibody that it have will be the opposite. So if it is blood group A, my antibody will be B. Okay, if I have got blood group B, my antigen is B, but my antibody will be A, totally opposite. Okay, blood group O is the most innocent, so it does not carry anything. Alright, now turn to your worksheets. We have completed the segment of blood and the blood type itself. Okay, please complete the following questions. I'll write it out here in black, so take note. Okay, do these following questions here from your worksheets. So you have got question 6, question 8, question 9, question 10A, and question 11. Okay, so after this we'll be looking at blood vessels and we'll do the corresponding worksheets as well.